Congratulations, Aakil, for your dream journey to China. So myself, Shubhraj, GM Saharanpur, and I am very proud to say that today one of my BBA is going for the dream journey to China, and this is all because of his hard work and dedication towards our brand Vivo. So I wish him happy and safe journey. Keep shining, keep rocking. Thank you.
Tonight away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
So today it's a moment of proud for me that one of our VBA, Aakil from Sachin Communication Head, is going for his dream journey to China, and it's a moment of proud for Vivo Trading Company and the Vivo team as well. And I'm very happy that Vivo is not only changing the life of the customers, but Vivo is changing the life of the team and the team members. And this is the first time in the career of last 15 years that any of the VBA from Saharanpur has been awarded with this ticket to China. And I congratulate Aakil for his dream journey and I wish him all the best. Thank you.